How to clean mold in a shower with 4 steps. Killing the mold. Washing the mold off. Removing mold stains and preventing mold. First step: killing the mold. Make a mold-killing solution by pouring 120 milliliters of vinegar into 1 liter of warm water, then mixing in 59 milliliters of borax. Now fill the spray bottle with the solution and spray on affected areas. Now let the solution set for 10 to 15 minutes. Second step is washing the mold off. Scrub the mold away with a scrub brush. Wipe the area clean with cloth. Now dry your shower with paper towel. Step 3 is removing mold stains. Mix 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water to form a paste. Apply the paste onto the stained areas with a sponge and let the paste set for 10 to 15 minutes. Scrub the stains with a scrub brush. Wipe the area clean with a damp towel. Wipe until any and all paste, debris, and grime are removed. Fourth step is preventing mold. Turn on your ventilation fan. Make sure to do this while you are taking a shower or bath. 8. Also, leave it on for an additional 30 minutes after you get out of the shower. Spray down your shower with a water vinegar solution. Do this after you shower 3 to 5 times a week to prevent mold growth. Wipe down all the objects with a dry towel. Do this after you shower 5 to 7 times a week. Now you have a clean shower to enjoy.